Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Dr. Manha English Channel. I'm Manha. We are very happy to have you here with us again.
And I'm Umar. Today's episode is very special for beginners. We will practice English using the shadowing method.
English Shadowing for Beginners, Episode 2. Today, we will practice real-life phrases you can use in everyday situations.
That sounds useful. I want to practice English that I can actually use.
Exactly. Shadowing helps you listen carefully and repeat quickly. It improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence at the same time.
So I should listen first and then repeat right away.
Yes. Listen, repeat, and copy the sound, not just the words. Try to match the speaker's pace and emotion, too.
That feels like a good exercise.
It is. Let us start with a simple greeting. Hi, how are you?
Hi, how are you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
I am fine, thank you. And you?
Excellent. This is a very common everyday conversation. You may use it at work, at school, or when meeting new people.
It is short and easy to remember.
Good. Now let us try a slightly longer phrase. It is nice to meet you.
It is nice to meet you.
I am happy to be here today.
I am happy to be here today.
Very good. These phrases are helpful when you introduce yourself or join a new group.
Can we practice a phone conversation?
Of course. Here is a real-life line. Hello, this is Ali speaking.
Hello, this is Ali speaking.
May I speak to Sarah, please?
May I speak to Sarah, please?
One moment, please.
One moment, please.
Great. These phrases are useful when you call someone, answer a call, or ask for another person.
I see how practical shadowing can be.
Yes. Now let us practice asking for help. Excuse me, can you help me?
Excuse me, can you help me?
I am looking for the bus stop.
I am looking for the bus stop.
Could you show me the way?
Could you show me the way?
Excellent. These are important phrases for travel and daily life.
They are simple, but very useful.
That is the best kind of English to learn first. Simple, clear, and useful. Now let us practice in a shop. How much is this?
How much is this?
Do you have this in a different size?
Do you have this in a different size?
I would like to buy this one.
I would like to buy this one.
Very nice. If you can use these phrases, shopping becomes much easier.
What about ordering food?
Good idea. Try this. I would like a sandwich and a juice, please.
I would like a sandwich and a juice, please.
Can I get the menu, please?
Can I get the menu, please?
That will be all. Thank you.
That will be all. Thank you.
Perfect. These phrases are very common in restaurants and cafes.
I like learning phrases I can use immediately.
That is the goal of shadowing. You don't just memorize, you train your mouth, ears, and mind together.
That sounds effective.
It is. Let us continue with a useful phrase for daily life. I am on my way.
I am on my way.
I will be there soon.
I will be there soon.
Sorry, I'm late.
Sorry, I'm late.
Nice. These phrases help you when you are meeting someone or explaining your delay.
Could we practice a phrase for work or study?
Yes. Try this. I need a little more time to finish this.
I need a little more time to finish this.
I will do my best.
I will do my best.
Please let me know if you need anything.
Please let me know if you need anything.
Excellent. These lines are polite and professional.
Politeness is important in English.
Very important. Now let us practice asking for clarification. Could you say that again, please?
Could you say that again, please?
I did not understand.
I did not understand.
Can you speak more slowly?
Can you speak more slowly?
Great. These phrases help you when you are confused, and they show that you want to learn.
I like that. It's better to ask than to stay silent.
Exactly. Asking is a sign of strength, not weakness. Now let us practice a few phrases with natural rhythm. No problem.
No problem.
That sounds good.
That sounds good.
I'm not sure.
I'm not sure.
Let me think.
Let me think.
Very good. These are common in real conversations, and they make your English sound more natural.
Should I repeat each line more than once?
Yes. Repeat each phrase 2 or 3 times, first slowly, then at a normal speed. This helps your mouth remember the sound.
So repetition is important in shadowing.
Absolutely. Repetition builds fluency. You can shadow the same phrase many times until it feels easy.
Could we practice a longer everyday sentence?
Certainly. Listen carefully. I usually drink tea in the morning because it helps me feel ready for the day.
I usually drink tea in the morning because it helps me feel ready for the day.
Excellent. Now this one. After work, I like to relax, listen to music, and spend time with my family.
After work, I like to relax, listen to music, and spend time with my family.
Very good. These longer sentences help you practice flow and sentence stress.
I can feel the difference when I say a longer sentence.
Yes, and that's why shadowing works so well. It trains you to speak in real sentence patterns, not just single words.
That makes sense.
Now let us practice one more real-life moment. I am sorry for the delay.
I am sorry for the delay.
Thank you for waiting.
Thank you for waiting.
I appreciate your patience.
I appreciate your patience.
Wonderful. These are polite and very useful in daily communication.
I feel more confident already.
That is wonderful to hear. Confidence grows every time you practice. Even 10 minutes of shadowing can make a big difference over time.
So I don't need long practice every day.
No, not at all. Short practice is better than no practice. A little every day is enough to build a strong habit.
That feels possible for me.
Good. Let us do a final shadowing round. Repeat after me. I am learning English step by step.
I am learning English step by step.
I am improving every day.
I am improving every day.
I can speak more clearly with practice.
I can speak more clearly with practice.
Excellent. Those are strong sentences for every beginner. Let us continue with more real-life phrases you can use every day. Remember, listen carefully and repeat right after me.
I am ready.
What are you doing right now?
What are you doing right now?
I am just relaxing at home.
I am just relaxing at home.
I am working on something important.
I am working on something important.
Very good. These phrases are useful when talking about your current activity.
Yes, I can use them in daily conversations.
Now let us practice making plans. Are you free this evening?
Are you free this evening?
Let's meet tomorrow.
Let's meet tomorrow.
What time works for you?
What time works for you?
Excellent. These are very common when arranging meetings with friends or coworkers.
I like how simple and practical these are.
Good. Now let us practice expressing opinions. I think this is a good idea.
I think this is a good idea.
In my opinion, this is better.
In my opinion, this is better.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
I do not agree.
I do not agree.
Very nice. These help you join conversations and share your thoughts.
That is important for communication.
Exactly. Now let us practice giving reasons. Because it is easy to understand.
Because it is easy to understand.
Because it saves time.
Because it saves time.
Because I enjoy it.
Because I enjoy it.
Great. Adding reasons makes your English more complete and natural.
I can see how that improves conversation.
Yes. Now let us practice a short real-life dialogue. Listen and repeat. Where are you going?
Where are you going?
I am going to the market.
I'm going to the market.
Do you need anything?
Do you need anything?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
Excellent. That is a very natural, everyday exchange.
It feels easy to follow.
Good. Now let us try another situation. I'm a little tired today.
I am a little tired today.
I need some rest.
I need some rest.
I will take a short break.
I will take a short break.
Very good. These are useful when talking about your feelings and condition.
Yes, I can use them at work or at home.
Exactly. Now let us practice asking simple questions. What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Why is that?
Why is that?
How does it work?
How does it work?
Great. Questions help you learn and understand more.
I should ask more questions when I practice English.
Yes, that will help you improve faster. Now let us do a final shadowing practice with smooth sentences. I am trying to improve my English every day.
I am trying to improve my English every day.
Sometimes it is difficult, but I keep going.
Sometimes it is difficult, but I keep going.
I believe I will become more confident with practice.
I believe I will become more confident with practice.
Excellent work. These sentences are great for motivation and real communication.
I feel more comfortable speaking now.
That is wonderful. Shadowing helps you speak more naturally and with better rhythm.
Great. I want to keep practicing.
I am not feeling very well today.
I am not feeling very well today.
I think I need some water.
I think I need some water.
I will be fine after some rest.
I will be fine after some rest.
Very good. These phrases are simple, but they are very useful when you want to explain how you feel.
That is true. They are easy to remember.
Now let us practice a common situation with friends. Do you want to come with me?
Do you want to come with me?
That sounds like a good idea.
That sounds like a good idea.
I would love to join you.
I would love to join you.
Excellent. These phrases help you respond kindly and naturally.
I like that. It sounds friendly.
It is friendly, and friendly English is very powerful. Now let us practice giving information. The meeting starts at 10 o'clock.
The meeting starts at 10 o'clock.
Please arrive a few minutes early.
Please arrive a few minutes early.
We will begin as soon as everyone is ready.
We will begin as soon as everyone is ready.
Great. These lines are useful for school, work, and group activities.
I can see them being used often.
Now let us practice a short shopping conversation. I am looking for a notebook.
I am looking for a notebook.
How much does it cost?
How much does it cost?
Do you have a blue one?
Do you have a blue one?
Excellent. These are real-life phrases that make shopping easier.
Yes, they are practical.
Let us try a travel phrase now. Which way should I go?
Which way should I go?
Is it far from here?
Is it far from here?
Thank you for your help.
Thank you for your help.
Very nice. These words are polite and useful anywhere in the world.
Shadowing these sentences really helps.
It does, and the more you repeat, the more natural your English becomes. Now let us practice a calm, clear response. I understand what you mean.
I understand what you mean.
That makes sense to me.
That makes sense to me.
Let me think about it.
Let me think about it.
Wonderful! These are great phrases for conversation when you need time or want to show agreement.
I feel like my English is growing.
It is growing. Every sentence you practice gives you more confidence and control.
What should I do after shadowing these phrases?
Use them in your own life. Make your own examples. Say them in the morning, during practice, or while walking. The more you use them, the stronger they become.
So practice should continue outside the lesson too.
Exactly. English is not only for study time, it's for real life, every day.
I like that idea.
Good. Let us finish with a final round. Repeat after me. I can improve with daily practice.
I can improve with daily practice.
I am becoming more confident every day.
I am becoming more confident every day.
I will keep learning one step at a time.
I will keep learning one step at a time.
Excellent. That is the right mindset for success.
Thank you so much for listening to Dr. Manha English Channel. If you enjoyed this podcast, please like this video.
Share it with your friends who want to learn English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Manha English Channel.
We create simple English podcasts to help you speak confidently.
Keep practicing.
Keep learning.
And never stop improving your English.
We will meet you again in the next episode with another interesting English podcast.
Until then,
Keep listening.
keep speaking.
Goodbye and take care.